Hola, mis estudiantes. Este es Mr. Señor. This is notes part 2. I'm going to go over it with you all. So, admittedly, TED Chats PPQV is obviously the best acronym ever. But what I want you to do is go ahead and put in the verbs, all of them that you can remember from the previous video. Write them below. You can type them in. You can write them with the drawing if you'd like. Now, you can pause the video to do that. I'm going to move on. Totally irregular verbs have odd spellings, and I'm going to go over what they are. Tener in the past tense, tener is had, and had is tuv. And I put a dash because we can put an ending on there to conjugate the verb. Estar, to be, was, estuv. Decir is to say or tell, so it's said or told, and it is di. Haber means to fit, fitted. You won't use this one very often. It is coop. Hacer is to make or do, to say made or did. Stem is is, or in the LAF form, it's iso. If not, you'd be saying eco, which is hiccup. Andar, which is walked, becomes anduv, walked. Traer means to bring, brought. Trach. And you can add an ending to it. Saber becomes soup, to know or new. Poder is can, could in the past tense, pud. Poner, to put, becomes pus, put, past tense. Querer, want or love, wanted or loved in the preterite tense, becomes quis. If you wanted something bad enough, you'd give it a quis. Venir becomes vin, came. Whenever using the preterite tense, we have to drop the ending, change the spelling of the stem for these verbs, right? Here's the endings that you're going to put on these verbs. E. Iste. O. Imos. And hieron. And then if you're learning vosotros estéis. Notice none of them have accents. Irregular verbs do not have accents in the past tense. Hacer in the LAF form, to say he or she did or made, is hizo and not hico. Hico means hiccup. He hiccup. You don't want to say that. He made or did. In the LAEOS forms, the J in trach and dich replaces the I. Instead of saying trajeron or dijeron, the correct spellings are the following: trajeron and dijeron. If you have any questions, you can email me at jimmikowski@nrwcs.org. Adios.